Hi, Tim here. Would you like to learn WordPress, and would you like to learn how to build a website, and yeah, would you like to develop a website from scratch with our detailed guide? Today I want to show you our WordPress course, and in this course we teach you everything from scratch, how to build your own WordPress website and how to customize your website, and we teach you everything in our new course. Yeah, the link to our course is in the description down below. The course price is $35, and yeah, you get a ton of very informative material in video form and also in written form, and also you get really much bonus material you can download, or yeah, we have PDFs and software for you can download in this course. And yeah, visit the website here to our course. The link is in the video description, like I said. And yeah, the course is packed full of informations. So we begin at how to find your perfect domain name, how to choose a domain name, what's important when you look out for a domain name, and stuff like that. And the next part is the detailed process, how to install WordPress on your server, how to set up WordPress, how to install a theme, and how to customize the theme, and how to add content, and the Elementor editor and the Gutenberg editor. We go all over it, and the course is very, very beginner friendly. So if you know nothing about website building or WordPress, this course is perfect for you. So we start at the very beginning. We explain everything to you, and then of course the next part is search engine optimization. So that means how you can optimize your website, that it will appear in the organic search result in Google or Bing or Yahoo or MSN or whatsoever. And yeah, this is very detailed. This is very, very beginner friendly. And then we have included here our blogging course. So I will teach you exactly how to start a blog in WordPress, and what's important if you want to write a blog post, and also how to outsource a blog post. And yeah, you can with this course you can build your personal blog, you can build your company website, you can build your personal website, you can do whatever you can imagine. And then we have a plugin section, so I explain you everything about plugins, how to install plugins, how to update, how to activate, what you can do with plugins and stuff like that. And the next part is the last part is security and backup. So how you can secure your website from hackers, and why you should secure your website. And then I teach you how to do how to automate backup, so that in case something happened with your website, that you always have a backup handy, that you can upload your backup file, and that you can restore your WordPress website in case something bad happened, you made a mistake or whatever you can imagine. And then we have our bonus section. We have many resources you can download, and also we have another included in this course. We have a traffic course, how to get traffic really fast from the search engines for free, and doing SEO and stuff like this, and secret methods how you can boost your traffic and how you can rank fast on Google. And yeah, that is everything is included in this course for $35. So check it out. And yeah, this course is packed with high quality information, and you can see yeah, visit the website and you can read everything here in detail. You can watch a video where I explain the course again, and yeah, then you can sign up. And yeah, we have a frequent ask section and all the good stuff. And here you can see all the training, what's inside the course. And yeah, so visit the website, get your course, start your own website for $35, and yeah, see you inside. And of course, you can always, if you have any questions, if you stuck somewhere with your website, if you don't know what to do, if you stuck somewhere in the process, here is inside the course you have direct contact to me, and I will answer your questions. I do website creation for development for almost 20 years now, so I know what I'm doing, and you can always reach out to me if you're inside the course and ask me questions, and I will help you. And if you're stuck somewhere, so yeah, make sure to visit the course and book the course and start your first WordPress website. See you inside the course. Bye.